Class 11th, let's start Act 1, Scene 2. Fine. We did it till line number 49. Prospero asked Miranda not whether she remembers something of her past or not, and he said that you might not, because at that time she was only 3 years old. But Miranda said, certainly sir, I can. But Miranda said, yes sir, I can remember some of the things. Prospero, by what? By any other house or person. So Prospero is very surprised. By what? What is that made you remember of that time? What memories did you have of that time? By any other house or person? Is it your memory of any other house or person hath kept with thy remembrance? Is it your memory of any other house or person that you are able to recall? Miranda, it's far off, and rather like a dream than an assurance that my remembrance warrant. Clear? Warrant means guarantee. So Miranda said, what I remember, what I recollected, it is rather far off. Clear? It is not very clear, and rather like a dream than an assurance. It is more like a dream than any definite fact. Whatever I remember, clear, that my remembrance warrant, that my remembrance, it is like a dream than a fact guaranteed by my memory. Whatever I remember, it is like a dream. Had I not 4 or 5 women once that tended me? Then she asked her father, once did I not have 4 or 5 maids to attend upon me, to serve me? Prospero, thou hadst and more. Miranda, Prospero says, okay, you had not only 4 or 5, but more of them. But how is it that this live in thy mind? But he was surprised. He said, but how is it possible that you still remember that? What seest thou else in the dark, backward, and abysm of time? Abysm means chasm. खाई बोलते हैं ना जिसको. Fine. Backward here refers to past. What seest thou else in the dark, backward, and abysm of times? Now, what more can you remember from the dark depth of time, from the dark past? What more do you remember? If thou rememberst aught, aught means anything. Thou means before thou camest here, how thou camest here, thou mayest. If thou rememberest aught before thou camest here, if you can remember anything before you came here, how thou camest here, thou may. And if you can recall how you come here, tell me now. If you remember any of the thing, tell me. Miranda, but that I do not. But I cannot remember anything of that. Prospero. Now Prospero started, and this is the past of Prospero, so it is very important. Now we come to know how Prospero reached to this island, how he became a magician, why he has raised the tempest. Many questions are there in our mind, so here the answers of all those questions are given, so look at it very carefully. Prospero, 12 years since, Miranda, 12 years since the father was the Duke of Milan and a prince of power. So he tell Miranda, 12 years ago from now, your father was a powerful Duke of Milan. Miranda, sir, are not you my father? Now Miranda is surprised, because since she grew up, the time when she came to this island, she was just 3 years old. She didn't remember anything about that time. And since she grew up, she had seen her father in that island. Clear? So she was surprised. She said, sir, are you not my father? Prospero, thy mother was a piece of virtue, and she said, thou was my daughter. Prospero said, your mother was a virtuous lady, and she told me that you are my daughter. Definitely I am your father. And thy father was the Duke of Milan, and his only heir, any princess, no worse issues. And your father was the Duke of Milan, and his only heir, and you were his only successor. Clear? And princes no worse issued, and you were born as princes and not of any lower birth. You are not of any lower birth, you are a born princess. Miranda, oh the heavens, oh heavens, oh God, what foul play had we that we came from thence? Or blessed was it we did? So she said, was it a foul play that drove us from there? Was it a bad thing? Was it a foul thing? Was it a wicked thing that drove us from there? That drove us from Milan? Or blessed was it we did? Or was it a fortunate that we came here? हमें बताइए भाई, ये क्या, ये बहुत ख़राब कोई चीज़ थी कि हमें मिलान से निकाला गया, या ये एक ब्लेसिंग थी that we came here? Prospero, both, my girl. Prospero said, both, my girl. It by foul play, as thou said, we were heaved thence, but blessedly holp hither. Holp means hither. उसने कहा, by foul play, as thou sayest, as you have said, it was a result of a great injustice done to us that we are forced to come, that we are forced to leave that place, but blessedly holped hither. But it was a blessing that we were helped to reach here safely. It was both our bad luck and our good luck. It was our bad luck that we were driven out of that of my dukedom. We were driven out of Milan, but it was our blessing that we were helped to reach here safely. We were given some help to reach here safely. And so children, revise it. Rest we will do tomorrow. Thank you.